Hi there, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll discuss about one latest news about S3. Like it will no longer charge you for various HTTP error codes related to 300x something like 303 or 301 or 401, 403, whatever the status codes are there. Or maybe sometime it is access denied. So it won't charge you any amount for that outside your AWS account or AWS organization. So I'll show you in detail about this, like what does it means and what are the error codes or status codes are being included that no longer be charged for this request. So you can see starting from 13th May 2024, so Amazon S3 will no longer charge you for several HTTP error codes. So basically, when you make an like a unauthorized requests that customer haven't been initiated are free of charge. So with this change, like basically the bucket owners, they will not get some cost or incur any requests or bandwidth charges for the request that return HTTP 403 access denied error response. If it is being initiated within like from outside their AWS account or AWS organization, basically by and and the consumers if they are trying to access anything and the request if it is returning 403 previously it was being charged now it is not being charged. So their full list of codes are there that are being will be not be charged in the billing for the Amazon S3 error responses. So I'll show you in detail, and it is including all the regions, and they have started deployment into various regions. So there will be certain updates about it when it is being completed. But you can have a like experience like there is no more charges. You can keep on checking your bills and all, so you can get the bills, check your bills in details. So what are the various, so it has been started, so various error codes and all. So in general, whenever like S3 bucket owners, basically they are built for HTTP 200 OK response, and as well as if any client error responses also. So now onwards, they won't be built for that. So any slowdown, basically initially also there was no charges for 500 the server response and all 503 slowdown errors, but now there are certain other error codes or status codes that are being removed from the billing. So the first one that is S3 forbidden. Now next one is like 301 moved permanently. So these are the list of all the status codes. So you can see following table is specific error codes 3xx and 4xx status codes that aren't being built. So if you have any buckets that are being configured with website hosting and all, so applicable requests and other charges will still apply. So there is a little bit trick. So it will be like returning some custom error document or some custom redirect that will be there. So that will definitely will be charged. So you can have a look over here, like 307 temporary redirect is there, 40 bad request, authorization header, some malformed is there, authorization query, parameters error, expired token, or illegal location, constant exception, so it won't be charged. So basically, if you're using with some SDK and API calls, so it won't be charged for this. Then, so these all are included: invalid digest, invalid encryption algorithm, invalid request. Then these all are included: malformed XML and all, missing request body. So all are included. 403 request time to square signature does not match. So basically, it is forbidden. So these all the things are included: invalid security, invalid pair, invalid access key ID, account problem. Then we have 404. So no such upload, no such website configuration, no method not allowed. 405. Then there might be some conflict. Bucket already exists or invalid bucket state, operation aborted. And 411 length required, some length is required. So that is missing. 412 precondition that is being not being satisfied. So these are the few status codes that won't be built anymore. So if you want to have a look, let me show you a little bit more. So under the usage, you can see over here as a whole as a service over here for the S3 simple storage service. You can see over here how much total billing is there. So zero point 0.2 USD. So these are all the get and all other requests. So total number of requests, how many were being made, and how much monthly for the storage is being charged. Now, this is a particular region wise. If you want to get into more details, you can go to the Cost Explorer, as well as you can also go to the cost and usage reports. Now, here in this one, you can have into detail. So they are having going to have this interface is going to be retired soon. So there will be option called as data exports. So this that is basically the new option that is being going to be added over here. So it's not here currently. So you can see data export is a new experience to export your cost and usage. As a result, cost and usage reports legacy pages pending deprecation. You will continue to have access, but the customer carbon footprint tool and the AWS user report from the data exports will be there until 1st of June. So we will be having over here data exports over here. You can see. So here it will give you like a CSV file or XML file in which you can download everything, a detailed one. So you can see cost and usage dashboard, and we have the, so you can just go into this and you can just explore yourself. So if you want to have your legacy one, so if you want to have a standard analysis, for example, like you can have a dashboard and insights of your data and all. You need to choose over here export name and all, and which S3 bucket you want to export it. And then you can have a complete detail about all your bills. So you can explore yourself this one. So it is just a standard like under the billing and cost management, you can export all the details, how much is your usage and all. Three categories are there, like customer carbon footprint tool and usage report. This is the older one, so you can explore yourself. So that's all. That's the more important thing. Like, so you won't be charged for any access denied or any listed error codes that are being mentioned over here. So you can have a quick look. I will share the link in the description so you can have a look into it. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.